So in this particular video, let us see how to get access into the e-resources provided by IIT Bhubaneswar for its offline members. So this is the portal where Indian Institute of Technology Bhubaneswar gives access to e-resources for its off-campus members only. So the link can be accessed through the online e-resources portal of IIT Bhubaneswar, where you can get the remote login option link through EZ proxy. After going into the ezproxy.iitbbs.ac.in, which it asks for the campus login with the login details of the campus, but there are few steps that has to be followed to ensure smooth progress, because this is the access is given by Indian Institute of Technology. The pathway is not through Gmail account, but not only through Gmail account, but through the other pathway, which is the other server, which IIT Bhubaneswar gives us access to IEEE or any other website. So the step 2 is to enable the less secure app access of your email account as on. So for that, I would ask you to go into the Google account and then move on to security tab, and then turn on the access for less secure app access. It asks for you to authenticate again to know whether it's you or not. So I will just allow less secure app access. So it's updated now, and the next step is to enable POP or IMAP of your email account as on. So specifically, then I would ask you to go into your Gmail account, Indian Institute of Technology Gmail account. Where I would then go to settings, in that see all settings. So in this, move on to forwarding and POP or IMAP, and in this you need to enable IMAP access, that is access Indian Institute of Technology Bhubaneswar mail from other clients using IMAP. So you need to enable IMAP. So once the IMAP is enabled and the less secure app access is on, then you are ready to get access into e-resources provided by IITBBS for its offline members. So now let us see. So the username is this. So you can see the access is provided. So let us see what are some good databases or journals which we can find them. So IEEE Explore Library is something which is expensive for us, because it has to be subscribed to get journals or any other books. But Indian Institute of Technology has been provided the access. So let us see how we get access to IEEE Explore Library. As you can clearly see here, access provided by Indian Institute of Technology Bhubaneswar. So now let me type on practical downlink NOMA scheme. So it's so the lock is open for these things. So the institute has been subscribed to these journals. Now if I type in some other thing like digital through wall radar imaging, so through wall radar imaging. So we got all the resources for this. And one more thing to notice, we do not have access to all the journals or magazines or books, we do have only things related to subscribed content. So for example, there are some unsubscribed content which will not be getting access into. For example, computer vision in machine, computer vision in agriculture, sorry, computer vision in defense. So before it gets the results, we'll just go into the other sites. So these are all the resources, but still you can't access all the resources. You can see log here for some of the resources while you search normally. Now let us see what are the other sites we can explore. The other sites are JSTOR. So again you can see here access provided by Indian Institute of Technology, Bhubaneswar. So JSTOR has also some subscription fee, but now with a search word of NOMA scheme wireless communication, I have got 26 results, which may correlate with the required thing. Then this is JGate search, and so you can see here this is JGate search again in Indian Institute of Technology, Bhubaneswar. So in this I have searched for NOMA scheme. I got 1244 results. As you can see, we got all IEEE transactions on industrial informatics. So many results. So and through the same link, through the same resources, I got access to Springer link also, where you can get resources, books, especially the reference works which you need for your BTech project or any other research work. And let me also show you what are the other online resources that are pointed. So there are also bibliographic e-databases, so where you can just go for getting some data sets. And there's also McGraw-Hill Access Engineering Library. You can access a lot of books there. And other than these, from the online e-resources library, you can also get access to open access e-resources, which implies that you are given access to MIT OpenCourseWare, Harvard OpenCourseWare, and ebook directories, e-journals, and the important thing is you also get virtual libraries or subject gateways. So you get access to the books over there, and also we have search engine with respect to academic search. So this is the way to approach. Thank you.